Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where it was at its low points and then where the price ultimately closed, yeah, I get it. The price did pull back during the final 30 minutes. However, relatively speaking, I mean, compared to where it was, compared to then where it ultimately closed, any rational person would say, yeah, the price made a nice move. And then you consider the question here of, well, is there any sort of genuine strength behind this? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, revolves around a little bit of logic and a single level on the chart. And that logic is this: price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly, powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 38. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that area of the chart where it was when it was flirting with those lows. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. On the flip side of things, though, let's say the price does something like this, where it does pull back a little bit more, comes down to that area, and then after it gets there, does something like this, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying that progress point as 38 cents. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, it's all about that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. You can see it's got a track record here of being pretty stubborn and knocking down the price. And although the price didn't quite hit it today, got within the ballpark of it, so that'll be the level to watch going forward. All in all, though, any way you slice it, very nice bounce on the day. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.